What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Disregard the start, just having a little bit of a coffee. Okay, it might not be coffee, it's freaking orange juice. With my green cup, nothing too big, right? I didn't have time to make myself some coffee, but orange juice will do it. I hope you guys are having a great day. I think I forgot one more thing. There we go. That's more like it. Let's get into today's video. Titanx had one heck of a bounce. Very much needed bounce everywhere. All protocols needed this. I did videos a couple of days ago. Matter of fact, I'm going to start with yesterday's video. On yesterday's video, I said we were in very risky territory. The blue lines were minor support lines in which we could see a bounce. This one, the blues were not strong supports. Yellows are strong supports or resistance, depending on which scenario is coming out, right? Blues are very light, but it still had the range of it causing a bounce. The first one, around 3-4, give or take, this range, this one right here, didn't hold very well. That's why we saw an automatic drop. You see this wick right here? That's why we saw an automatic drop down to almost 2717. But it got bought up pretty quickly. And look where we are at now. We are literally right back to my blue line up here where we were 2-3 days ago. Very strong bounce, a much needed one. If we were to have broken this blue, we would be trading at all-time lows. The weekly is pretty bearish still. I'm sorry, almost bearish, not confirmed yet. Okay, I did see a couple of comments on the previous videos where it said that there is a delay, it tends to take off or go down before the cross, but these crosses make it official. That's the thing. Like, yes, this went up before this cross, but it confirms that it's on the upside. It is a confirmation of it doing what it needs to do. Okay, I get that sometimes there's a delay on either side, and it's not 100% right accurate about pinpointing the deadlines, but I like it. It's my strategy. It's been working for me. I want to say I've been about 80 to 85% accurate on my stuff, on my TA, on my price targets, and all of that. So we'll stick with that. As of right now, this bounce was needed for this to not cross. Who knows where we will be at in 1 or 2 weeks. This is whenever we will find out. The catalyst is still going to be ORX. Now, there was a tweet going out from Jake's side where he started, saying, he couldn't say it, but he was like sending out memes and stuff like that about the cup and handle going on. If you don't know what a cup and handle is, I'm just going to explain it as, easy as I can. I know there's a lot of people out here there that don't do technical analysis, that don't understand it, that don't even bother to understand it. It's too much for them. I'll try to take care of the small fish. I'll try to explain it the best I can. There is this picture right here that I pulled up. So really, all it is literally just a cup, and here's the handle right there at it. And then there will be a scenario right here for a potential breakout point in which we can go pretty crazy. That's the plan right there. I don't know if you guys see it. So, bam. Who knows, man? It could be the point to where it can see some good amounts of gains, but no promises, no guarantees. Who knows? We may even be looking at, I don't know. I'm just doing this, just a quick little formation up here. I don't know. But that's what it's looking like to be the scenario. Who knows? It could turn out really good for us in the long term. But overall, as long as this line held, I'm really content with it. I was going to buy Titanx in this right here, but I decided to buy ORX instead. The buy zone for me, which I told the private members, was between 6 to 8 cents. It was at 611, and I decided to buy. It was like 6.1 and like 7.5, 8.5, somewhere around there. I started DCA a little bit. I started buying more and more. because this is going to be the catalyst for Titanx to do better, to go higher, right? In order for it to go back to its hyper bullish state. Looking forward to that. I'm thinking they're going to launch the 28th. ORX already said that the testnet is out there. If you don't know what ORX is or their website or anything, I will leave it down below in the description. I already have made videos about this, my predictions about it, what I think it's going to do, how it's going to benefit Titanx. I already made all of that. Just look it up, look in the previous videos more. That way I don't have to go into crazy detail on this video specifically. But yeah, check it out. The link for this will be down below in the description. I will also leave my how to join. Those of you that do stocks, I decided to go public and make my private group chat the stock side. I've been doing stocks in 2015. I made a private group chat on 2018, and I'm just now like deciding to tell you guys. So if you're interested in joining, I will leave the Telegram chat down below the group. It's like a channel, and it will tell you step by step about how you can join. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave Ouroboros website down below and the Telegram channel about how to join the stock chat room. Okay, so really interested to see. It's always good to diversify in my book, but green all around. Really good. If you bought any protocol, any token in general yesterday, maybe even 2 days ago, within that 3 range, that's perfectly fine. You pretty much, as of right now, you pretty much bought the bottom. Congratulations. Well, this right here, bottom enough. There is, let's see, I'm gonna look up Jake. I think he sent out like little memes and stuff like that going out there that he can't really say what he wants to say, but we all understood it. Majority of you guys knew the technical analysis meaning behind all of that, but we all pretty much got the grasp of it. He did this. He sent out this one right here. There was automatically people were like, cup and handle represents 0, showing that Jake is talking about zeros here, going crazy that the handle was a 6 zeros and a 3, that was the bottom, that now is going to form that breakout point. Other people were saying like 3 cents and a 6, a bunch of little scenarios or predictions. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. This right here, if you're wondering about that. I'm just going to go ahead and say this one right here. A cup and handle pattern in technical analysis is a chart formation that looks like a cup followed by a smaller downward trend, which, voila. This indicating a potential price increase after a period of consolidation, suggesting a buying opportunity when the price breaks out of the handle and continues its upward trend. Essentially, the cup represents a period of stabilization after a price decline, while the handle is a brief pullback before a renewed upward movement. I just felt like reading that for you guys in case you wanted a little bit more explanation about what was the deal behind all of this. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you liked the intro, all that stuff. Let me know down below in the comment section what you like about this. Did you learn anything? Did you not learn anything? Are you going to continue being subscribed? Click the like button. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.